Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're showing you an acne patch kit by TK. This is 4 sizes, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm, and 176 patches. So we're just going to show you guys what they look like. So they provide you with a little tool here. And these are the patches. Go over some features on the back. If you need help on how to use it, make sure you pause the video and read that. But we'll go over that real quick. Okay, so ingredients. Let's see. Use steps: clean and dry the acne area. Take out our acne patches and cover the target. Press lightly for 3 to 5 seconds and then leave it on overnight for the best results.